Hello, this is Anna. She's 20 years old and comes from Alicante in Spain. Her mum is Spanish and her dad is English. Today is a very important day for Anna. She's moving to England to start a new life. At Alicante Airport, Anna stands with her mum near the entrance. Call me when you arrive, her mum says softly. I will, Anna replies. Her mum hugs her tightly. Anna smiles, but inside she feels nervous. This is her first time travelling alone. Soon, Anna sits on the plane and looks out of the window. The sky is bright and blue above the clouds. She listens to music and thinks about Manchester. 3 hours later, the plane lands at Manchester Airport. When Anna walks outside, the air feels cold and wet. She quickly pulls her suitcase behind her and follows the signs to the train station. Later, she arrives in Manchester city centre. The streets are busy and there are tall buildings, yellow buses, and people everywhere. Anna checks her phone and walks to her Airbnb. The house is on a quiet street with small brick houses. She rings the bell. A woman opens the door with a friendly smile. Hello, you must be Anna, she says. Yes, that's me, Anna replies. I'm Kate, your host. Welcome to Manchester. Kate helps Anna carry her suitcase upstairs. The room is small but clean. There's a bed, a desk, and a lamp near the window. You can use the kitchen anytime, Kate says. Thank you, Anna answers. After Kate leaves, Anna sits quietly on the bed next to her suitcase. For a moment, she feels lonely. Everything is different now. New country, new city, new people. But Anna also feels excited. This is the beginning of her new life in England. Let's have a look at some useful words now. Starting with arrive. That means to get to a place. Then suitcase, a large bag for travel. Lonely? Sad because you're alone. And host means the person who welcomes guests. And last one, new life, a different way of living. Now, question time. How much do you remember from the story? Where did Anna go to first when she arrived in England? Was it A, to her aunt's house, B, to an Airbnb, or C, to a hotel? The answer is B, to an Airbnb. Okay, that's all for today. If you enjoyed this story, listen again and practice speaking with Anna. See you next time.